I'm Mandy. Welcome to Souped Up Recipes. Today, we're making the authentic beef and broccoli stir fry, or what we call kai-lan 炒牛肉. Kai-lan is Chinese broccoli. It is also the most popular vegetable in Cantonese cuisine. Unlike the typical American takeout version, this recipe is flavored with a touch of satay sauce and fish sauce. Very unique. Let's get started. I am using sirloin tip today, which has quite a lot of silver skin. For better texture, you should remove that. Cut the beef into a few big pieces, then slice it into 1/4 of an inch thick slices. Other cuts such as ribeye, flank steak, round, and chuck will also work. Sirloin tip is a pretty tough cut, so you will need 1/3 teaspoon of baking soda, which is efficient at tenderizing meat, but only a small amount is needed, otherwise it will leave an alkaline taste in the meat. Also, if you're using a tender cut, such as ribeye or flank steak, you may not need the baking soda. Some white pepper to taste. You can also do black if you want. Some dark soy sauce so you can get that desired brown color. 1½ tablespoon of Chinese cooking wine, which can be replaced by dry sherry. Non-alcohol replacement for Chinese cooking wine varies from recipe to recipe. In this specific case, you can use the same amount of beef stock. We will coat the beef with 1½ tablespoon of cornstarch, which creates a starchy shell, locks in the juice so the beef stays succulent. 1/2 tablespoon of satay sauce. This is what I'm using. If you don't have it, it's okay to skip it, or you can replace it with Thai-style shrimp paste. Mix everything until well combined, then add a drizzle of oil to coat the beef, preventing the slices from tangling and making it easier to stir fry later. Set it aside. Now, let me introduce the kai-lan. Although it is Chinese broccoli, it looks nothing like broccoli. It has big leaves and thick stem. The taste is slightly bitter and sweet. If you don't have access to buy it, you can use regular broccoli or broccolini. Discard the end. Separate the stem and the leaves, because they will go into the wok at different times. Cut the stem with a 45-degree angle into bite-sized pieces. In a bowl, add 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1/2 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1/2 tablespoon of fish sauce, 1/2 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, and 1/4 cup of water. Mix well and set it aside. Turn the heat to high and heat the wok until smoking hot. Add oil and swirl it around to create a non-stick layer. Add the beef and spread it out. Let it cook over high heat for a couple of minutes. I love using a carbon steel wok because it is essential at making perfect Chinese stir-fry. It sustains super high temperature and responds to heat changes quickly, so you can get the nice wok heat effect and that beautiful charred meat. I will link this wok in the description. You can check it out if you want. Remove the beef from the wok, but leave the oil behind. Add the kai-lan stem, minced garlic, and ginger. Stir over medium heat for a couple of minutes. You can add a splash of water to create some steam to help to cook the stem through. Add the kai-lan leaves and keep cooking until wilted. Introduce the beef back into the wok. Pour in the sauce and stir until the sauce is thickened. Serve with white rice. If you are looking for an easy and delicious meal to make tonight, this is it. Lightning quick and better than takeout. I hope you give this a try soon. As always, the printable recipe is right here. You can check it out. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel so you can get more easy and delicious Chinese recipes and cook better than takeout. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!